Salut, bonjour, comment allez-vous? Bien. Bien. Bon. Yesterday, what did you learn? 3 forms of, definite articles. Definite articles, fine. And wasi wala. Wasi wala. At the end of the lesson, I just introduced wasi and wala. You remember? Fine. Today we are going to learn prepositions. Lesson number 17. Prepositions. What is a preposition? There are some words like on, under, in front of, behind, in. These 5 prepositions we learn today. Prepositions are words which tell you the exact position of a noun. This is a scale. This is a cell phone. Where is the scale now? It is on the cell phone, on the mobile phone. Okay, telling like that. That's prepositions. On, under. I am in front of the table, behind the desk. The key is in the bag. Telling all these positions of noun or prepositions. There are so many. We learn only 5 today. The question goes like this. Look. Vasi astilo. What is vasi astilo? Vasi astilo. Here is a ball pen. Pen. Let's say pen. Vasi astilo. Here is a pen. Voici un livre. Voici un livre. What is voici un livre? Here is a textbook. Maintenant. Maintenant means now. Où est le stylo? Où est le stylo? What's the meaning? Where is the pen? Voici un stylo. Voici un livre. Maintenant, où est le stylo? Answer me. Le stylo est. The pen is sur. On le livre. Do you agree with me? Le stylo est sur le livre. The pen is on the textbook. Got it? Fine. Now I have a doubt. Instead of telling the pen is on the textbook, can I say it is on the textbook? Yeah, sure. So, the stylo, instead of le stylo, I write il est sur le livre. It is on the textbook. I am using subject pronouns. Yesterday you learned être. Il est, je suis, tu es, il est. What is il est? It is. It is. So, instead of le stylo, I use the pronoun il est. It is. Il est sur le livre. It is on the textbook. Fine. We see one more question like this. Vasi unicle. Look at this. Vasi unicle. Vasi here is unicle. A key. Here is a key. Here is a key. Voici un mouchoir. Voici un mouchoir. Mouchoir? Handkerchief. Handkerchief. Voici une clé. Voici un mouchoir. Maintenant, now, où est la clé? Où est la clé? Where is the key? La clé est. La The key is sur le mouchoir, on the kerchief. Got it? Now instead of the key, can I use it is on the handkerchief? Yes, sure. So I write alley. Why here ille and here alley? Le stylo is masculine. So I should use ille. But the key is feminine. So I should use alley. Understand? Voici une clé. Here is the key. Here is the handkerchief. Voici un mouchoir. Où est la clé? Where is the key? La clé est sur le mouchoir. Or, elle est sur le mouchoir. Right. And we will frame many questions using these prepositions. Derrière, devant. Just memorize these 5 prepositions today. Easy, only 5 words. And this is one way of answering. Specifically telling where the thing we are talking about is. It's on the desk or behind the bench, something like that. And another way of, general way of answering the question. Où est la clé? Où est la clé? Where is the key? Where is the key? Where is the key? Here is the key. Here is the key. Where is the key? Here is the key. Voici la clé. Où sont les clés? Where are the keys? Voici les clés. Here are the keys. Here voici takes the meaning of here is. Here voici takes the meaning of here are. Why, tell me? The thing we are talking about is singular, so here is. Here the thing we are talking about is plural, more than one in number. So we use voici. I have told you voici takes the meaning of here is here are. Voila takes the meaning of there is there are. One more question. See this. Look at this question. Où est le sac? Où est le sac? Where is the bag? Voici le sac. Voici le sac. I mean, sorry. Voila le sac. There is the bag. Voila, voila, voila le sac. Understand? Voila le sac. Voila le sac. There is the bag. There is the bag. There. Not here. Pas voici, voila. Not voici, voila. There is the bag. Où sont les sacs? Look at this. Où sont les sacs? Where are the bags? There are the bags. Not voici les sacs. Voila. Voila. Voila les sacs. Voila les sacs. There are the bags. Here voila takes the meaning of there is. Here voila takes the meaning of there are. Because the bag in the first case is singular, here the bags plural. So there is, voila here takes the meaning of there are. Only this much. And yeah, in general this EC, no, EC, ICA, EC or C, CI. Take EC takes the meaning of here. La means there. La. Just L8 with grave accent takes the meaning of there. Always try to write the spellings with accents. Wherever there are accents, do write that. OU with grave accent, what's the meaning? Where. But OU without accent takes the meaning of or. Okay. The accents are capable of changing the meaning of the word. So accents are compulsory in French. And tomorrow, only this much. Yeah. So try to memorize these words. You can try so many sentences like this. You simply ask où est la porte? Voilà la porte. Où est la fenêtre? Voici la fenêtre. Try to frame. Anyway, we will frame it in the class, frame many questions in the class. So we will meet in the next class. Au revoir. Merci bien. Merci beaucoup. Thank you.